episode of GrassRoots Garage. It's been a long time coming, but we've finally got our first Mini on the show. This is Kirk's 1978 Clubman.
I want to see you today. I've got a few things in mind I wanted to say. I hear you're down on yourself and feeling so blue. I've got the night off. I want to waste.
It's a special day today on GrassRoots Garage. We have our very first Mini. It's Kirk's. Kirk, thank you for your time.
Thanks for that. Yeah, thanks for giving me.
Mate, tell us about your car.
It's a 1978 Mini, 1330. We bought out from 1275. It's got a R13 race cam, 45 Weber, and yeah, it's just the Mini. It's just how it is.
Where'd the passion for Minis come from?
When I first got my license, I had my L's, and a guy out here at Kernel decided he wanted to sell his little yellow love bus. So yeah, I forked up my $2,500 and bought a little yellow Mini, and that's where it started ever since. And it was a 1978. That's when I was born. So yeah, it's just stayed in the blood.
So that was your first car?
The yellow one.
Yeah.
Then I bought this one 9 years ago, about 9 years ago, and yeah, it's just always wanted a Mini.
What did the motor and gearbox and everything look like when you first got this car?
Similar to this. The wiring was a bit, my wiring's a bit how you going, but it actually works better.
Yes.
I just added little extras. I added a electronic dizzy.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it? Yeah.
So yeah, if you get a bit of water, it doesn't cut out on you.
Yeah.
And I can actually adjust that as well. So yeah, for your different timings, you can adjust the electronic dizzy. I like to put a thermo and stuff on it because traffic doesn't like traffic.
Yeah.
Because they call it a hot engine, I think. It just runs hot.
Okay.
So it loves being hot. So as soon as I put my foot down, oh, there we go, now it cools down.
Gotcha.
So it likes going fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's weird that they've decided to put the radiator on the side there instead of on the front.
I don't know, it's just the Mini thing where it would fit. But I've got an oil cooler, which keeps it, it's just an extra thing you put on.
Very nice, man.
Come run us through this interior.
Yeah, let's look at it. Yeah, definitely. So is that factory seats?
Factory seats, but not the leather.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been done, retrimmed.
Beautiful.
There, so yeah. And then this I made the dash.
Yeah, wow.
It's usually just got a single cluster in the front with a 3.
Yeah.
So I made the dash out of some plywood and templated it up.
What the gauges and
the gauges are the one in the middle doesn't work. Or does, but it's not connected because that's on the other side now for fuel because it's twin tanks.
Yeah,
that's just off a single tank.
Yeah.
Then yeah, the oil pressure and the water temperature on the middle.
Yeah.
And then that down the bottom is your fuel air mixture.
Oh, yeah.
So when I'm adjusting, if I'm fiddling and stuff, if I feel like it, I know what the
That's awesome.
the pressure and stuff is.
So run us through these dual tanks as well. So tell us about how did you find out you need? Did you sort of just knew as soon as you went wherever you?
Because a standard Mini, 1978 Mini, which is the Australian Mini, has only got the single tank. The old Cooper S, which is the 60s and stuff, have the twin tanks. I'm not sure. I think the GTs might have, which is the Australian Mini for the Cooper S, the square nose. They have the dual tanks. So it's either the look, or you got dual tanks, and more fuel, because it does like to draw the fuel.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that, then you got the slick tyres. It sticks like glue on the ground. The Yokohama AO48s. The funny thing about those ones, they're only 12 inch. I've got 21 inches on the M-Rock. They're more expensive than the M-Rock. Yeah. And it's all, I've converted all the lights to LEDs and instead of the old bulbs which used to flicker all the time. So yeah, it's a bit like a daily driver.
Okay, so let's say I've given you an unlimited budget. I know you're going to keep the Mini, but what else have you got in your garage?
At the moment?
Well, if I gave you an unlimited budget, you could buy anything you wanted.
I'd buy another one.
Another Mini?
Yeah, for sure. If the garage, I'd have to extend the garage.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'd buy another one for sure.
Another Mini, yeah.
Because, the kids, I've got 2 boys and a girl, But the boys, yeah, they like doing cars, so I'll let them have a go.
Oh yeah, nice.
Tinkering and just learning mechanics.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not a mechanic, I'm a landscaper you know, as a job. But it's just taking it out and putting it in.
So I'm a little bit excited now because we get to go for a drive in this thing. Kirk, you right if we take this out for a bit of a run?
Go for it, let's go. Yeah. Quietest car.
Nah, but that's old cars. You want them to be a little bit loud and bumpy, don't you?
I don't know, like,
oh, easy, mate.
like it's not even, like it likes it. When the cam kicks in, it's about 5.5. So
Yeah.
it's the Mini is just designed to rev. I can't believe the amount of
So good, doesn't it? Oh, the Weber's just screaming. I love it. Absolutely love it.
like it's not the quickest car, but it's just just
Fun,
stays
it's fun to
going.
drive, yeah, definitely. So that's our very first Mini, and it's Kirk's Mini. Kirk, thanks for your time.
Thanks for that. Thanks for coming.
Well, that wraps up this episode, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.
Yeah. Yeah, the old Weber. Nice.
45 DCOE.
Nice.
Fresh, put a fresh in there, man. You're full.